I suspect you keep a task list somewhere in your office. If you want, you can manage some of your tasks from within Visual Studio. The first step to managing your tasks is to show the task list. That's in the View menu right here. I can choose from several kinds of tasks in this dropdown: comments and user tasks. User tasks are just what you think. I can come down here and add a new task by clicking on this button, create user task. Write my task in there, and then it shows up whenever I open this user task. I don't find this very useful, but it's one of the things you can do in the task list. One I do find useful is the user comments one. So I'll switch over to comments, and then I'll go look at this code over here in samples. Here you can say I have a number of comments, including a bug comment in here. So what I can do is turn these into tasks for the task list by putting certain tokens at the beginning of the comment. For instance, I can put the word to do here. And as you see, it shows up on my task list. I find this much more convenient. It's in my code, but it's also on the task list. Now later, let's go down and add one here. Put a couple more to-dos in. To do. And I can use this to navigate through my code. When I click on the to-do in my task list, it takes me to that comment in my code. I can also specify different tokens. Let's say that I want to make a bug token and I want to be able to use my own token in my class, but still have it show up in this task list. Go to Tools, Options, and click on the task list. Here are the predefined tokens: hack, to do, undone, and unresolved merge conflict. I'd like to add my own. So I'll type in a new name here, bug, and then click on priority level equal high, and then click on add. Now I can go back to my code and type in the word bug at the beginning of this comment, and it shows up and it moves to the top of the list because the priority level was set to high. Now that you've mastered the task list, let's move on to commenting your code.